Hey guys, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because oftentimes we want to stay on track with a healthy diet, eat clean, avoid sugar, and even high carbs. But when we go to an outing or an event or a gathering and there's cake and desserts, we can often feel left out or we're just tempted. But this is chocolate cake and it's low carb, it's healthy, and with a few simple ingredients like almond flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, honey, and just some eggs. It's so easy to make and it's delicious. So let's dive right in. Add 4 eggs or 5 small eggs and half a cup of honey and a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a little bit of stevia if you like. That's optional. And mix them all together very, very well. Then to the mix, add 1 cup of blanched almond flour and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix very, very well. Next to the batter, add half a teaspoon of baking soda and about 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Mix very, very well. Then pour the batter evenly in an 8-inch pan. Then you want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And it'll be in the oven for about 30 minutes. For me, it was actually cooked well in 25 minutes. So I left a link to the original recipe in the description box, and I followed the recipe pretty much to the letter. I did add a little stevia, so I slightly modified it. But the next time I make this chocolate cake, I will add a little bit of heavy cream and maybe a little bit of butter because it did come out a little dry, but it's still pretty good. Not bad. That said, just add maybe a little bit of heavy cream, just kind of add it to the batter at the end. Or actually you can add the heavy cream with the egg and the vanilla. And you can alternatively use a little bit of melted butter. So it's up to you, but that will instantly solve or prevent a lack of moisture in the cake.